That's a completely different case. It's not even the same ECIR, my lord.
So if it's a different case, then what?
My lord, for the
That's
minister,
not
at
the
least,
same-
my lord, lordship may grant interim bail. It was being granted, my lord. My friend opposed, just was kept today.
Let him have peace of mind for 3-4 days more.
My lord, we'll keep it next Tuesday then.
Tuesday.
Tuesday is, my lord, miscellaneous, so Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Tuesday, my lord, will be miscellaneous because of 26th of January.
Tuesday will, Wednesday.
So Wednesday. Grateful.
14 also, my lords, the same order in 14 also. Very grateful.
Lord, item 17 also, my lord, Mr. Rodri is appearing in that also.
Well, it's 19 also. That's 13, 17 and 19.
Yeah.
They will all
All
go
right.
next
My lord,
Wednesday.
we have filed a new.
My lord, 14 and 15 as well.
That may also come, my lord. There is a new writ, my lord, by that lady Soumya,
You
who
can,
was,
that's right.
who was granted bail, my lord. Every time she's granted bail, she's arrested.
There's evergreening of bail.
It's a evergreening, my lord, of arrest.
No,
My lord granted bail, arrest. Granted interim bail, arrest. Now she's arrested in December.
Not even been served with that petition, my lords.
We'll serve them.
No, it is coming up first time, it is coming up first time today.
Not like-
इसमें कर देना, issue notice, then accept notice. You just try to file a short affidavit, whatever. If you can file a short affidavit, Mr. Jetplan, in that matter.
Because,
I have not taken it. We'll file a short affidavit.
we'll give you. Lord, we are pressing for,
Also, my lord.
I must say, Lord, we are pressing for interim bail for Soumya
You will
because this is a, Lord, overreach of the Supreme Court. Every time we get bail, Lord, they do this.
I'm not with the condition that I should be outside.
I'm outside the state by, because of a lordship condition. I can't go to the state and now I'm being arrested, pushed back into that spending. This is really happening.
And they are aware of the evidence since 2019, my lords. We're in 2026.
Yeah.
All this evidence they are aware of.
That shows the illustrious CV of.
Minus on minus.
Yes.
We are issuing notice.
Well, 19 number also a notice may be issued. It's
No, no.
This has been issued.
no, I'm saying notice may be issued.
No,
Last time.
19, my lord,
19 is cancellation.
the cancellation of bail.
Granted by the High Court.
It's an
That
appeal.
Lord should be heard. There should be no notice because only a bail.
And my lord, a bail granted after a substantial hearing.
When he, that 19 is which matter?
This is Chaitanya Bagel, my lord.
We'll consider it on 19.
Lords, and
Lord,
Yes, Lord.
19.1 is the writ of Soumya.
my lords, 14 also identical order, my lords, I'm also pressing.
Well, 19.1 notice is being issued. In my matter also notice should be issued.
No, my lord. We need to be heard.
Lord, even First matter.
My lord,
is
for
done with
15 days, this matter has gone on out there.
Bail and refuse notice is issued, my lord.
No, no, no.
I don't know.
Not,
It is not distribution of sweets.
Who knows better than Mr. Jetpalani,
But you should get.
our predicament in issuing notice for grant of bail and for cancellation of bail.
this has become a practice, my lord, every time.
Absolutely notice them.
Lords, that reply on the interim relief, my lords, that reply on interim relief can also be directed in my matter. 14, I am also similar as there, my lords, and the same evergreening is up.
Anyway, my lords,
Let it come.
My lord, your lordship is posting that separately or along with the batch?
We will take up, you see, wherever the individual separate arguments are required, we will hear you.
Very few, my lords.
There's nothing like that, we will not hear you.
Correct.
But
Very well, my lord.
I should be there.
come together because broadly issue is broadly common.
Correct, that's right.
But there will be some separate facts that you will point out.
Yes, yes.
Let it all come together, my lord, one after the other, your lordship.
That's right.
Very well, my lord.
They are all a part of the same transaction.
We'll do that.
Come on, Wednesday.
Grateful.
obliged, my lords.
Obliged, my lord. No, my lord, there is 41 as well. That is in relation to filing of supplementary charge sheets again and again,
My lord.
which your lordship has issued notice on that. Justice Bakshi had committed on that. So that is also listed for hearing. No, no, my lord. The notice has already been issued on that.
That will also go this way.
Very well.